Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys. Look at this. We on the grill again, but not really on the grill outside. But we on the grill in the house. The little skillet grill that is literally like being outside. You can cook everything. Today it's gonna be steak, cube steak, guys. And we cut the steaks up. I'm actually have some more to go on there. I'm gonna cut up some more. This is like about 4 packs, I think, on YouTube. And I cut them up, and we're gonna have mashed potatoes with skin on and some broccoli, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah.
You want to be a big baby about everything.
No, you can't. If you put it on, thing, it's like grilling. So I turned it up. Look, see what I'm saying? Brooke, what are you doing? Shanti, what's going on?